We will most definitely need to use images in a lot of our templates, so let's see how Penzle streamlines the process of adding, maintaining, and using images in your project. To make things easier, I have created an example template to show you which fields we use to retrieve media items. Inside of this demo media template, we have two fields. Top field is for picking a single media item, and the bottom is for choosing multiple items. Looking at the field settings, we notice the same property we used on Content Picker, and it's the Start node, used for choosing the starting location where we look for media items. I'm showing you this so you know that Media Library should be a properly organized and structured place. Never dump all of your media into the root folder and make that the starting location. Always be mindful of your work and think about how to structure and organize your data, not just input and be done with it. For the blog articles, we definitely want authors to have profile photos, so this is our starting point. Once we extend the author template to have a profile photo field, we will point its start node to a media folder containing all of the author photos so we can pick from there. We can navigate to Media Library directly from the sidebar, and right now you see that it's empty with only a single root item called Media. Let's add a new folder for author-related images. We can add assets to the folder using either the Action button or the context menu. After the wizard window opens, we can directly drag and drop multiple images into it. You can always remove some items if you change your mind by clicking the trash can icon. You could also manually browse for files by using the appropriate link. When we are satisfied with the item queue, we can upload it to the library and close the wizard. Notice the obvious similarity to Content Picker. Just like we created a place to hold all of the author information, we now created a place in Media Library to hold all of author-related photos. We should design sections of Media Library to correspond to sections of content in the content tree. Considering we will also add article photos in the future, we can immediately add another folder for article assets. By now, you should be very familiar with extending templates with new fields. Let's open the author template and add Media Picker field to it. We will name the field Profile Photo. We'll set the Start node to point to Authors folder in the Media Library. Let's save everything and see if we succeeded. Navigate to Content Editor and then select one of the authors. We now have another field for Profile Photo, and if we click on Add Media, we can pick from the photos we uploaded to Media Library. Maybe you don't like this two-step process of adding photos to Media Library first and then attaching them to content later. Don't worry, we can upload a new profile photo and attach it at the same time. Simply click the Add Asset icon and then upload the photo the same way you did before. If we are done with uploading, we can close the window and we are right back on the photo selection screen, now updated with the latest image.